Okay. Okay, and I'm supposed to you all warm as well. So let's go down to the floor. Now, first one, you stay up. First one is side lunges. So stand behind your mat if you've got a mat at home, or you should, otherwise you will get injuries. We're going to start with the side lunge. What happens? Don't land with the long knee, soft the bend, and then you push your bum backwards, keep your zip up. So you go down, come back to the middle, down. We're going to do 10 to each side. So let's do this. All right, ready? And 1, up, other side, up, 2, good. Keep your tummy activated. 3, push your bum out to the back. 4, long spine. 5, don't let your knee go over your toe. 6, and 7, good. You are welcome to touch the floor. This is number 8, 9, last one each side, and now we go to the mat. Going on your bum, we're going to do crunches. So, straight legs up in the air, squeeze your inner thighs together. Put your hands behind your head, elbows open. Pull your belly to your spine and keep your back on the floor. And now we're going to do 20 crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you felt that in the tummy. All right. From there, stay on the floor. Bridge. Right. Hands down. Long spine. Feet forward but flat on the floor. Now lift your bum up. Pull your heels slightly towards your bum. And don't let all your weight rest on your shoulders. Keep your weight over your knees. And now we're going to do bum lifts in the air. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay on the mat. Slowly put it down. Turn around and go to your plank. Plank side touches. Most important is to stay on your hands. Push away the floor. Keep your long spine. Right. Now you can do side touches or you can do plank jacks and jump it. It's your choice. So, everyone in position, keep your long spine. Bend into your spine. Here we go. Ready? And 1. Other side. 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. If that's all you can do, stay with that one. Otherwise, you do jumping jacks. And 8. And 9. And 10. Good. Slowly down. Now we're going to go into the crisscross squat jumps. So come up, get behind your mat so that you don't slip. Crisscross squat jumps. We're only going to press one way. So cross with your right foot in front, then jump open. Then your left foot, then jump open. Okay? Make sure when you jump open, you drop your bum low, push your bum out back, and keep your knees open. You can do knee support. So, you guys ready? Here we go. Ready? And cross, open. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open up. 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 4. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, side plank. Get down to the floor on your side. We're going to do side plank crunches, but we're going to hold it as well. So, it's your choice if you want to keep your feet on top of each other or one in front of the other. Your choice, but you have balance. Alright, on the elbow, push away the floor, activate the side obliques to come up, and the other hand can be on the hip or behind the head. Now, just there, we're going to hold it for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, bounce, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, good. Stay on the floor, tricep lifts. So basically what happens now, you sit on your bum, hands behind you, push away your feet, and lift your pelvis up. Keep your bum in the air, hands should be comfortable, and now drop your elbows. We're going to do 20 tricep lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, squeeze the bum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, that was one set. Quickly get a sip of water. And then we're going to repeat. Right. You guys feel it at least? Okay. You need some energy. You need to communicate with me. Alright. Yay. Alright. We're going to start from the top. The first one was the side lunges. Are you ready to go? I hope you guys behind the screens also ready to go. Here we go. Side lunge. 1. Up. Other side. Now you know the roll. You can push yourself further. And here we go with 3. You're welcome to touch the floor if you want to make it more intense. 4. Other side. Big step to the side. 5. And. Good. 6. Keep yourself up. Straight back. 7. And here we go for 8. Good. Push your heel down to come up. And last one on each side, 10. Now we do the crunchies. On your back, straight legs up in the air. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Hands behind the head, elbows open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, push yourself. 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay on the floor. Reach. And now we're going to do single leg lifts. If you want. Otherwise, you stay with both feet on the floor. One leg up. Push away the floor. Up with the bum. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your pelvis above your belly button. 8, 9. Hold it up. Swap the legs. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel that bum burn. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Right. Go into a plank. Everyone in a plank by this time. Push away the floor, long spine, shoulders away from your ears. Don't sink through. Hold it straight. You're going to do either side taps or jumping jacks. Open. Other side. 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. Good job. Last one, and done. Right, let's get up and do the crisscross jumps. Right, so cross with right foot or left foot as long as you change in between. So you're going to start with the right foot in front. Ready, here we go. And cross, open. Cross, open. 3. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You ready for good? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Side plank. Go down to the floor. Again, other feet on top of each other or one in front of the other. Lift up. Hold it for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 more, 5. Woo! Feel that burn. 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Are you ladies with me? Yes. Come on, you're not even sweating. Up. Here we go. Hold it. 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and bounce for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Tricep dips. Push your heels down. Bum. Keep your bum in the air. Don't drop your butt. And we drop the elbows. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. One up in the air. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, long spine. And good. That was the second round. Right to the quarter. Woo! Gosh, it's warm. Ladies, are you ready for a third round? Yes. It's easy enough, eh? We're just sweating, but it's easy enough. All right. Side lunges. You can drop even lower. If your muscles are warm now, you can push yourself. So here we go. Ready and 1. Other side. 2. And 3. And keep your zip up. 4. Long spine. 5. Woo! 6. Drop it low. 7. And 8. Keep your foot forward. 9. And 10. Now for the crunchies. On your back. Straight legs in the air. Good job. Right. Hands behind your head. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7. Push through. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it there. Bridge. Push your hands down. Lift your bum. Keep your palms above your belly button. And let's do one leg. 10 of them. If you feel this is too hard, put both feet on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it and swap. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slow it down. Let's go to the plank. Now, I want to challenge you guys. If you feel like doing, please try the jumping jacks, the plank jacks. It will just give you that better workout. But you know how far you can push yourself. So let's do this. Ready? And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good job. 5. Woo! 6, 7, 8. Almost there. 9, and 10. Good job. Come on up for the crisscross squat. All right. We love this one. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bump to the back. 10. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Side plank. Ladies, still with me? Yes. Good. I hope you guys suffer along with us at home. Lift it up. Hold this for 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bounces out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. above and keep on breathing. Woo! I can feel it. Just keep that stretch. Drop your bottom shoulder. Don't tense up. Relax completely. Now take it slowly to the other side. Grab hold of the legs. Up and over. Drop the shoulder and slightly relax. Don't flop in. Keep your core activated but feel that stretch nice and deep. Right. And now we're going to sit straight legs in front. Inhale up. Sit up straight back and drop it down to the feet as you exhale. Again, inhale, come and reach up. In through your nose, exhale through your mouth and stretch down. Again, inhale up. And exhale down. Hold it there. Push out your heels. Grab onto your calves, your knees, wherever you can. Drop the shoulders and push your chest down towards your knees. Hold it there. Woo! I hope you feel this stretch. It's a nice one. It's a crucial one. And you have to breathe while stretching. Can you feel the butt? Well done. Now, slowly come up. Take one foot over the other. Sit like a gentleman. Bring your bottom foot closer. Push away the top knee. Push up your chest and reach long out of your shoulders. Up, up, up. Keep on breathing. Push the top knee away. Feel it deep in your bum. Feel that stretch. Work it. Keep on breathing. This is a nice workout. Fast, quick, but effective. Hold it. With every exhale, you can try and push yourself a little bit further if you see you can. Slowly relax. Drop the bottom leg inwards. Twist over. Take the top knee with the opposite elbow and twist your upper body in the opposite direction. Keep on breathing. Feel it deep in the bum, but still in the bum, but in another place. A deeper way. Sit on both bums. Make sure you don't lift the bum up. Push both bums down to the floor. And now we're going to swap legs. Take your top leg, put it straight down. Take the other leg over, sit like a gentleman. Pull the bottom leg closer. Push your upper body up. And push the top knee away from your chest. Feel that stretch deep in the bum. You ladies feel it? Yes. I hope so. Good. Inhale deep. And exhale. Right. Drop the bottom leg and twist over. Take the opposite knee with the opposite hand and twist away. Sit on both thumbs. Straight spine up. Good. Keep on breathing. Don't sink in. Keep it up. Keep that dip up. And keep on breathing. And exhale. Alright. Now take the top leg. Same foot, same hand. And pull that leg backwards. Right. Pull in your belly button. Squeeze your bum back and pull that knee backwards. Open your chest forward and don't sink in. Alright. Breathe through this one as well. The oxygen makes your muscles stretch better. So keep it there. Woo, ladies. Slowly swap legs and take the other foot